All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and today we're cooking for a collaboration video. All right, Mr. Homeowner has come up with a great idea that everything's better with bacon. So I'm cooking me a brisket, son, and I'm going to inject it with bacon grease. All right, this is like a little bit of an experiment. This might not turn out. This might suck. I don't know. I hope it's good. I like brisket. I like bacon. Let's do this. First thing, you got to have your bacon grease. I bought mine from Wal-Mart, little bacon up thing. Pretty good. I stuck it in the microwave, let it liquefy. Second ingredient, SPG. All right, for right now, I'm going to put that over there. We don't need it. And then you got a brisket, right? Here's my brisket. You know, I'm not too good at trimming it, but what I do is I fill it out, and I just make sure all the hard stuff is gone, right? I really don't care what it looks like. I kind of leave this vein here alone. You know, I'm going to cook it this side up. So I'm going to inject this side up, all right? Here we go. This is good old metal injector. Look at that needle. Could you imagine getting a shot with that needle? I don't know, but... All right, let's get this bacon grease all up. And oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness. Let's get it where it belongs. I'm going to pump all this in there, I hope. Let's see how this goes. You know, maybe all of it won't go. Maybe it's just going to be a big mess on my floor out here. I don't know. I really don't care. Oop, look, it's spraying me. It's a squirter, folks. All right, guys. I really don't think it's going to hold very much more bacon grease. All right, that's fine. It took however much that is. SPG, brother. That's all that is. SPG. SPG. Gosh darn it, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. It's a fantastic looking piece of meat. Oh my goodness gracious. Almighty. All right, guys, listen. We're going to put this in the smoker. First got to turn the smoker on. Let's look to see inside there. You know, I got the cold smoke generator going. Look at that. That there is a smoke daddy, right? That's a smoke daddy pig. That's all it is. Let's turn on our smoker. We're going to set it to 250? Oh, we'll make it 225, right? This is going to be a long cook. Guys, I just turned that smoker on. That's only the cold smoke generator, right? This thing is awesome. Awesomeness. All right, we'll be back once this thing gets up to temperature. All right, guys, we're back. The good old RecTeq, it's about 221 or so, right? It's going to slow down. Look at that. That's the smoke daddy putting off all that smoke. Listen, we're going to take this brisket. We're going to put it the flat side all the way to the right. On the right-hand side is my hot side, and I want this side to cook slower, all right? There you have it. Guys, we'll be back sometime tomorrow morning. You know, we're going to see each other tomorrow morning. You know, every hour or so, I'll come down here and squirt some beef broth on this thing. Maybe I fill up the smoke daddy once or twice. But other than that, done. We're done. You guys with those stick burners, you have fun up all night worried about where your brisket is while you give me a hard time about my RecTeq. Ooh, pellet smoker doesn't have that much smoke. All right, man. You guys have fun. All right, bye. So last night, there was a whole lot of this going on, all right? Oh, my goodness. You know, we'll show you a clip, I guess. You know, I didn't really record anything, but here goes a funny clip. All right, so this brisket here, you know, it's been chilling quite a long time, right? Look at that. Oh, my goodness, son. That's going to be a good brisket, but what we're going to do to it is normally I'd wrap it in maybe some foil or maybe some parchment paper, some peach paper. I'm not going to do that this time. What I am going to do is I'm going to drop it right on down into there. Put that fat back where it belongs. Put it right back in. All right, that's a wonderful looking brisket too. I'm going to spray her down. All right? Guys, this is more than just a little spray. That's a big spray, all right? Guys, told you. Bacon grease, son. All right, my wife brought me a brush. But she also bought me a whole jar of bacon grease. I don't need no damn brush. When it comes time, I want to let this ride out to about 200 degrees. And then I'm going to pull it. Actually, then I'm going to probe it for tenderness. Then I'll pull it. But this is my bacon grease one, right? All right, YouTube. We're out here already. I think it's ready to go. You know, I'm not even going to look and see what temperature it is. I know I got this probe. I already unhooked the probe because I know what the temperature is. But all I'm doing is I want to see it go in like butter All right. And you know what it does? There's almost no resistance on that probe. So it's going in like butter. So I'm going to get my hot gloves on. Right? Everyone has a nice pair of hot gloves. And we're going to move this brisket. We're going to move this brisket out to the table here. All right? Look at that brisket. All right? And what I'm going to do with this brisket is simply amazing. All right? I'm going to take this this Blackstone cover here, and I'm just going to put it on the top. All right? It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It doesn't have to be hard. Why? Because we're in the backyard. All right? But listen, I just don't want stuff to dump on this. I'm going to try it this way this time. Here in about an hour or so, once it's cooled down a lot, I'm going to come back out here. All right, YouTube, we're back. It's time to cut up this brisket. All right? I think it's going to be yummy. All right. Let's see what my brisket's going to look like, son. That's a good fucking brisket. That's a real good fucking brisket. Oh, I'm a fat bastard. I love me some brisket, son. I promise while you're going to go get me that sharp knife, I wasn't eating any of it.
So those 2 pieces aren't missing.
2? Only 2 pieces you think are missing? Okay. Look, guys, I'll sit here and slice this thing up all damn day long. All right, we know it's going to be gravy, right? So this is what you really want to see, and I know it. Let's see it. Oh, yeah. Guys. Look at that bark on that piece of brisket, all right? Look at them juices, son, because you ain't got good meat unless you squeeze out some juice, son. That's some good-looking brisket. Just look at it, son. I love me some brisket. You love you some brisket. You know, just look at this. Oh, my God. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness, son. I'm a fat bastard. I like good brisket. I didn't even want to chop it thin. Look at that, son. That's a good brisket. It tastes good, too. Why does it taste good? Because this wasn't hard, fool, because we in the backyard. I'm out of here. You guys have fun. I'm going to go eat on some brisket. All right, bye-bye.